stop scrolling. What if you could create these million-dollar interior design time lapses in minutes without a single contractor, camera, or construction budget? Today, I'm showing you exactly how to do it using AI. No fluff, just results. Welcome back. For the creatives, realtors, and designers watching, this is your new secret weapon. We're building a stunning before to after renovation video using AI generation and editing. And the best part, you can do it all from one platform. If you're serious about leveling up your visual content, you're in the right place. Help the channel grow. Smash that like button right now. It genuinely helps more than you know. Our tool for today is Higgsfield, the sponsor of this video. It's a powerhouse platform that consolidates multiple industry-leading AI models like Nano Banana Pro for hyper-realistic images and Sora 2 Pro and Veo 3.1 for video and much more into one seamless interface. No more juggling 10 different apps. Pricing is straightforward. Their ultimate plan starts at just $29 per month for unlimited access to top-tier image models for up to 1 year. They also have creator and business plans for scaling. I'll leave the link, which gets you started, in the description. Let's build our first scene, a living room reconstruction. First, sign up at higgsfield.ai. It's fast with Google Login. Once inside, head to their new Cinema Studio feature. This lets us generate images and animate them in the same place. We start with our before shot. I set batch size to 2, resolution to 4K, aspect ratio to 16:9. The magic is in the prompt. I've put all my proven prompts in a document. Link number 2 in the description gets you there. Here's prompt 1. A wide-angle cinematic living room interior under construction. Bare concrete floor with visible cracks, dust, and debris scattered across the surface. Unfinished neutral walls, exposed electrical outlets, no baseboards, soft natural daylight entering from large windows, industrial renovation atmosphere, no furniture, static tripod camera, eye-level height, wide lens, same framing for all stages, ultra photorealistic, 8K detail, paste, generate. It costs about 8 credits. Once generated, I download the best one. For the next stage, I drag that previously generated image into the canvas as a reference to maintain consistency. Now, here is my second prompt. The same living room from the exact same camera angle. Workers wearing PPE are actively grinding and preparing the concrete floor. Visible floor grinder, extension cords, buckets, ladders, tools, and dust in the air. A partially applied base coat on the floor with matte texture. The walls are semi-finished. Natural daylight continues through the windows. Realistic motion blur on workers. Ultra-detailed cinematic realism. Static camera. I hit generate and download. We repeat this for all key stages. Applying epoxy, finishing walls, adding furniture. We're building something incredible here. If you're learning and want more tutorials like this to beat the algorithm, subscribe to the channel. It's free and it fuels this entire project. Now, here's the game changer, turning these static images into moving time lapses. In Cinema Studio, click the Video tab. My settings, camera movement to camera follows, 16:9, duration 10 seconds, batch size 1. This is credit efficient. We add a start frame, our first generated image. Here's my first video prompt. Time-lapse animation in a static living room camera view. Workers enter the empty construction space and begin grinding and cleaning the concrete floor. Dust moves, tools vibrate, debris shifts realistically. Ladders are repositioned by workers. Lighting subtly changes over time. All motion is human-driven. I hit generate. It uses about 18 credits, far cheaper than most AI video tools. Preview, download. For the next clip, we add both a start frame and an end frame for maximum consistency. Then, prompt, Static camera time-lapse showing workers pouring metallic epoxy onto the floor. Liquid epoxy spreads and self-levels while pigments swirl organically into marble patterns of charcoal, silver, gold, and blue. Workers use squeegees and rollers, then clean tools and exit the frame. The floor gradually becomes glossy and reflective. Real physics, real people, cinematic realism. Generate, repeat for all scenes. See how this workflow saves hours? For more streamlined pro tips, hit subscribe and turn on notifications. You won't miss the next breakdown. We then repeat the entire process for a second space, like transforming a dingy bedroom into a luxury suite. The steps are identical. Generate consistent image stages, then animate them. I'll fast forward through this to save time. Now we have all our clips. Let's assemble them professionally. We could do it directly in Higgsfield using the video edit feature. However, for simplicity and accessibility, I use the free software CapCut. Create a new project, import all your video clips, and drag them to the timeline in order. Set the project aspect ratio to 16:9. I slightly scale each clip to about 102% to eliminate any edge inconsistencies. Then, I add a cohesive filter. My go-tos are in the Favorite tab, and do subtle color grading. Finally, I add smooth transitions and a soft, elegant background music track and some texts. Export. The consistency in these clips comes from Higgsfield's integrated cinema studio. If you want to move beyond the free tier and access the top models like Sora 2 Pro for even more realistic motion, check out their ultimate plan via the first link below. It unlocks real power. Let's say you have generated these stunning original video clips. What can you do with them? Here are 5 direct ways to monetize. 1. Social media content for interior designers. Sell these as signature reveal reels to local interior designers or home stagers. 2. Real estate marketing. Package them as future vision videos for realtors selling unfinished properties or fixer-uppers. 3. Stock video. Upload to high-tier stock footage sites like ArtGrid or Pond5. AI-generated interior transformations are in massive demand. 4. YouTube niche channel. Build a channel solely around home transformations using AI. Monetize through AdSense and sponsor deals from home brands. 5. Client proposals. Use them in your own freelance design or contracting business to visually pitch renovation ideas, winning higher value projects. Today, we went from zero to a professional-grade luxury time-lapse using Higgsfield for generation and CapCut for editing. The key is in the detailed, consistent prompts and using the start/end frame feature. Higgsfield is currently offering up to 70% off on their annual plans. If you want to create at this level, that link in the description is your starting point. It's the first link. I pour hours into these precise tutorials to save you days of trial and error. If you found value, please let me know in the comments and subscribe for more. We're just scratching the surface of AI video. Your turn. Go build something stunning. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.